Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today is kind of a mixed bag day. It's day 4 of the bale garden, so I got to add 1 gallon of water to each of the bales, but the rest of the day I'll be in the greenhouse. Here in the greenhouse, I actually have a ton of work to do today. I was just looking at it and I really got to get moving. It's a little chilly outside, but regardless, I'm going to have to open this place up. I think I'm going to pull the thermal mass out of here, the water barrels, dump them. I believe I'm done with them for the year. I need to get the bench as far in as I can. I'm a little tight on room, and I think I'm going to move this one over and do a bit of rearranging. I got to get all these empty flats out of here and hose them down. I got to get this bench out of here. I got to put all that stuff together and put it along this wall. So there's just a ton of work to do. And I got to cut the sawbucks for the next set of benches. My wife ran to town and picked up some 2x4s, so I'm going to use this untreated stuff for the tops of the flat benches, which will be fine. They won't rot after just one use, and I'll probably reuse these in the building project that'll go up right here, so they'll be put to good use. So I think what I need right now is a new tip for this, and then open up the doors, and I got to start pulling stuff out of here, assemble the benches, and then bring stuff back in organized. Well, they changed the weather forecast. It was supposed to drizzle all morning, and that's not in the forecast now. So, although this stuff needs to be done right away, there's other stuff that needs to be done right away as well. I got the burning done already, but I need to get some brush cutting done out front. I have some raspberries there that are going out this year. So, I'm going to get that done real quick, and then get back in here and get to this stuff. This rock reminds me, I have piles of rocks along the road up there by where I put the trees in. Those have to come out today as well, or they should come out today, because we got to cut the grass by the road this weekend, which is in 2 days. So this is going to be one hell of a busy morning. Okay. Enough of the little side jobs. I had one more that I wanted to do, but I gotta get this done. We have track meet tonight, and it's an early one, 3:30, and it's about pushing an hour away. Yeah, these are looking pretty nice. A lot of the early leaves are shriveling up, which that does happen when you transplant something. It'll use up all the energy from the lowest leaves, and they'll shrivel up and die after a transplant. Ones like this one, oh, I got it pinched. Maybe that's why it looks funny. But some of these bigger leaves are a little bit floppy on the ones that were just transplanted, because they are lacking water, because they're lacking a little bit of root. Hopefully they're going to be all right. I ordered some CalMag, which should be here today, calcium and magnesium, and I'm going to try that on a select few of the plants. A subscriber mentioned that, you know, it could be a magnesium deficiency, which it very well could be. So I'm going to give that a shot. I was looking up on it, and if you grow stuff in medium that has, what is that called, coir, or different people call it different stuff or pronounce it differently, but it's that coconut fiber. If you grow stuff in that, it has 0 nutrients, and people who do use that use this CalMag stuff. Never heard of it before, so thanks to Tammy, subscriber. Okay, I gotta get this stuff done. had originally planned on just dumping these in here when I was all done with the greenhouse, but because I want that space right there, I thought I could get them outside with this. This is a pretty damn heavy-duty cart, but no such luck. It's too damn heavy. I couldn't get it over this sill right here. So I'm just going to let it drain. I don't want the water in here, so this is the way to do it, I guess. All right, I'm going to get back to it. I gotta wrap it up now. I gotta get this stuff put away, and I gotta get ready for Natalie's track meet. So, coming up out here soon, I still need to get this stuff transplanted. I gotta do that real quick. I'm hoping I can get it done tomorrow, but that remains to be seen. And then I have the purple love grass, the seed. I'm hoping it comes today. I had to replace the seed because I cannot find, I bought 1,000 seeds and I cannot find it anywhere. So that kind of sucks. So when that seed gets here, I got to get that into, oh, what am I? I'm putting it in the same ones as this. And I'm going to plant as many as I can. It's a decorative grass, and it's a prairie grass, so it's going all along the front. It's going to look real cool. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe. Click on the update icon so you're notified when I post new videos. A thumbs up would be great as well. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.